Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 35 how to stop the video autoplay on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS. Every time you click a video, what happens? This is what happens.
Computer science video.
The video always autoplays, meaning that we have to stop the video from playing, but there is another way we are able to stop the autoplay. Go to your toolbar on top, click on grids, and then go to the preferences, and here where it says play video automatically, click this, and now the video will never play automatically because we have removed the feature itself. So now go back to the application called GRIDS, refresh the page, click a video. The video does not play until we press play ourselves. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.